Welcome to Android Fundamentals. Getting started on Android is straightforward. Simply installing Android Studio and creating a new project is enough to have ticked the Hello World box on your Android resume.
But that's not why we're here. We're also not here to teach you Java, and we're not going to walk you through every API in the Android SDK.
But what we will do is to help you build a real app. We'll dig into the fundamentals of how Android works, its patterns, and best practices.
Our course is deeply rooted in code, but this isn't a copy-paste code lab. We'll teach you the principles you need and help you navigate the hundreds of resources like sample code, documentation, and Stack Overflow that you'll be using in your career as an Android developer.
Getting started is easy, but building something great is harder, which is why we're here.
We'll work right alongside you, and by the end of this course you'll be able to turn your app vision into reality, and you'll build it the right way. So in that spirit of collaboration, we'll begin by telling you a little bit about us and where you'll be seeing us throughout the course. Catherine, why don't you get us started?
Sure.